Hello guys! Welcome to another vlog.
Asan ba tayo ngayon?
Nasa Avonlea Village. It's 30 minutes drive away from Carlotang. Yeah. So, we'll see. May mga cute stores dito. Souvenir shops and marami siyang kainin.
Kaming tourist.
Yeah. So, let's come and explore with us!
Hi guys! Kumusta kayo?
Welcome to another vlog.
Saan nga tayo?
Avonlea Village. I'm not sure if yun yung proper way to pronounce it, pero I think so.
Ano lang kami dito? Mag-chill lang since wala kaming pasok. Then maglalakad din kami. Then we're going to other places here din sa Cavendish. Kasi ngayon na lang ulit kami nakabalik after 3 years.
Yeah.
Ay, actually, hindi pa tapos yung summer. Papunta pa lang doon sa patapos na.
Yeah.
Pero
ano, medyo late lang kami into the season kasi pasarado na lahat. So, before siya mag-close, at least we are able to check it out. And then, maganda din yung weather today. So, that's why.
kita namin sa inyo kung anong itsura nitong place na to.
Yeah. Siguro peak of summer, madaming tao dito sobra.
Oo.
Kasi may mga campgrounds din dito malapit. So,
Pero marami pa rin nakapark. Siguro kumakain na lang sila dito, casual.
yeah. So, let's go and check it out.
Okay.
It's a really cute village, you guys. Pero kita nyo naman, almost close na lahat actually. Because again, we are late into the season. Pero it's nice to be able to go here. May iba pa naman bukas. Pero look at this. See? They're closed for the season. Pero may ilan pa na bukas. So, mabilis lang. Naikot naman namin yung village. Pero marami siyang place na pwedeng kainan. They have Boom Burger, Momo's Grill, House for ice cream.
Lone Oak.
Yes, for if you want to have a drink.
Yeah, and Piato.
Yeah, Piato. Samuel's.
Pizza.
Yeah, Samuel's for coffee. Maganda siya. I think it's very beautiful during peak of summer na maraming tao. Open lahat.
Next year baka pumunta na tayo.
Pupuntahan namin next year. Just this year, early summer, we were so busy.
Ito ginagawa yung Cavendish Festival.
Yes, and the upcoming Somo Music Festival then.
Next week ata na yun. Ano
I
po
think
next
so.
week na yun?
Yeah, so maybe that's why some of the stores are still open. So after here, pupunta kami sa Boardwalk. It's another touristy place.
Sige,
We'll
tara.
see. Let's go, guys. Okay guys, let's go to the boardwalk. 2 kilometers from here. So malapit lang. So nakalagay sa sign nila. Yeah, so Avonlea Village is the best place to eat. And that's a fact.
Ito yung mga namimiss namin pag summer eh.
Yeah.
Pero maganda pala dito. First time ko lang din dito eh.
Nung unang punta namin dito, yun yung birthday ni Beshi, tapos close din to.
Magagala muna kami guys. Papakita namin sa inyo. So guys, ngayon nandito kami sa May House.
Ano masasabi mo?
Sarap. 12 out of 10.
Wow. And I have the Oreo cookie. And then yours is...
Strawberry cheesecake, like my t-shirt.
Yeah. Okay, let's tell them how much it costs. Mine, for a single scoop, is $5.75.
Sa akin, mga 7...
$7.75 ata.
7.75 before tax. Pwede na.
Yeah. Tip ako ng 15%. So, mga $17 in total.
Quality kasi yung ice cream nila talaga. Famous nito dito sa PI, itong house na to.
Yeah. They have several locations here on the island. Actually, all over Canada, pero mas marami sila dito sa PI.
Kung kayo dadayo dito sa PI, ito yung sa mga the best na pwede nyo puntahan pag gusto nag-crave kayo ng ice cream.
So, it's a must talaga.
September pa lang. Hindi pa naman ganun kalamig, so pwede ko pa mag-ice cream. Tutuloy namin yung paglalakad namin. At marami pa daw shop dito sa part na to.
Come on guys, more shops here. Let's go!
Well, naikot na namin yung Cavendish Boardwalk. And nandito kami ngayon kung saan yung parang extension or bagong building nila. Wala pa masyadong lilis ng...
May mga open spaces pa na pwede parentahan.
Yeah.
Pero so far, meron silang bagong clothing store and coffee shop. Masaya dito. Na-enjoy namin dito kasi mas maraming bukas dito kaysa dun sa kabila. Tapos mas maraming tao din dito.
Yeah, we had a great experience. Yung downside lang na pupunta natin dito is yung karamihan ng mga shop is sarado na.
Yeah.
Tapos meron pa tayong isang shop dyan na nag-offer sila 50% sa mga item kasi sarado na sila for this season.
For the season. That's
so,
true.
Yeah. Maybe next year, mga bago siya mag-Labor Day, pupunta na kami dito.
Yes. I think maganda siya pag galing ka sa beach, tapos pag after mo sa beach, punta ka dito, kain, here, and then punta ka din dun sa kabila. So,
close lang kasi dito yung...
But next year, we will surely make it happen.
For
So,
sure.
this wraps up our adventure for today.
Okay. See ya, guys.
Peace out, yo.